In this video, I'll show you how to select all dimensions at once in AutoCAD using two quick and effective methods. The first method is to select any existing dimension, right-click on it, and choose Select Similar. AutoCAD will automatically highlight other dimensions with matching properties, making it easy to edit them together. If Select Similar doesn't find every dimension because they're on different layers or use different properties, you can use the Filter command instead. Type Filter in the command line and press Enter to open the Filter dialog box. From the Select Filter list, choose Dimension, then click Add to List and apply. Now drag a selection window around your entire drawing and press Enter. AutoCAD will select only the dimensions, regardless of their layer or other settings. This method is perfect when you need to change text size, dimension style, color, or other properties for multiple dimensions at the same time. It can save a lot of time when working on large or detailed drawings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.